In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a featured image to your HubSpot website or blog. Whether you're looking to make your pages more visually appealing or ensure your content catches the attention of your audience, adding a featured image is a simple yet impactful way to enhance your site's appearance. And the best part, it only takes a few minutes to set up. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to HubSpot's homepage. Once you're there, log into your HubSpot account. You can find the login button typically in the upper right corner of the page. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you'll need to create one first. You can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot home dashboard. From here, locate the top menu bar and click on the Content tab. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Website Pages. Once you're in the Website Pages section, you'll see a list of all the websites or blogs associated with your account. Choose the specific website or blog where you want to add a featured image. Simply click on the name of your page to open the editing interface. Now that you're in the editing view for your selected page, look towards the top of the interface and click on the Settings tab. This will take you into the configuration area for your page. Within the settings, you'll want to look for the featured image option. Depending on your version of HubSpot, this may appear as part of a subsection or as a clearly marked button. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the page carefully. Once you've located the featured image option, you'll need to enable it. This usually involves toggling a switch or checking a box. Go ahead and activate this setting so you can upload your image. With the feature enabled, click on the Upload button. This will allow you to upload your desired image directly from your computer. When choosing an image, pick one that is visually appealing and representative of your content. For example, if your page is about travel, you might choose a beautiful landscape photo. This ensures that the image enhances the page's appearance and aligns with the message you want to convey. As you upload your image, keep in mind that it's essential to meet any recommended size or resolution criteria provided by HubSpot. This will ensure your image displays clearly and looks professional on your website or blog. Once the upload is complete, take a moment to verify that the image has been properly displayed as your featured image. You should see a preview or confirmation within the settings panel. And finally, don't forget to save your changes. This step is crucial to ensure your new featured image is applied successfully. After saving, visit your website or blog to confirm that the image appears as expected on the live page. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add a featured image to your HubSpot website or blog, making your content more engaging and visually appealing. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.